let's talk about signs. I've made signs before, metal ones, wood ones, crappy ones. I like signs, especially when they involve LEDs. Hell, there's a whole song dedicated to signs. I'm making a sign for a friend, and this is going to involve lasers, electronics, and LEDs. Let's get moving.
Move, children! Vámonos!
The sign's gonna be made from their logo, and it's gonna be about 1 foot by 1 foot square. I'm gonna cut it out of acrylic, and it's gonna be boxy with the LEDs inside. Okay, I've got all the parts needed. RGB LED adhesive strips. Wire. Little T connector thing. Connectors for the little T connector thing. 1/4 inch pipe to mount it and run wires. LED test. Alexa, make me beautiful.
Okay.
Now we take our acrylic to the laser cutter. And now I have about 1,000 pieces, plus or minus 950, to glue up. Just have to take off this backing. All the pieces are peeled, ready for glue with this stuff. Okay, boxes are done. It took a little bit of gluing and just a little bit of tape. I cut this piece of wood because I'm going to use it as the back panel to mount the sign. Okay, paint is dry. Now it's time to install the spokes. Okay, spokes are in. It looks a little bit like that level from Mortal Kombat.
Sub-Zero. Flawless victory.
Each box gets their own LED strip individually wired to the main controller.
Flawless victory.
I have the pieces glued to the spokes. Now I'm going to feed the wires through the back. I've got the sign propped up in the background, and now's the time to stick on the front pieces. I'm going to use this super duper double-sided sticky tape because if I need to get back inside, I can just rip it off. Ready to head out for the install.
She shouldn't watch your stare. Don't look out, I'm gonna break your neck.
I'm at the place. Time for the install.
Thanks, man.
Hey, no problem, Josh. we are done talking about signs. Thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this build and maybe learned something, or at least be inspired. I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, where I post a bunch of stories about behind the scenes shenanigans. Thanks again.